Danny Martin, the General Manager of the Romney Hythe and Dymchurch Railway.
And you've got a very special anniversary coming up, haven't you?
Yes, we have. In the middle of July, the 16th of July, we are 85 years old here from when the first passenger train ran. The railway was opened to public from then on, and we're going to reenact that come that the nearest day we can use is a Sunday, which is the 15th.
The railway was opened by Laurel and Hardy, is that right?
Well, it was reopened after the war by Laurel and Hardy. That was in 1947 because there was a lot of damage done to it, but of course the railway had been then operating for 20 years. But that was a very key time because television was starting to pick up on things. Probably the first time the railway really got lots of publicity in mainstream TV then, yes. And
yourself, you've got a background on a larger scale train, haven't you?
Yes, I mean, whilst I've had an interest in this railway since I was about 11, and that's a long time ago now, my main operating career was on what was then British Rail, and then Network South East, and all the other companies that led up to my leaving there in the year 2000. And I was an operations manager and an area manager looking after mainline railways, yes.
How does it compare?
Well, different and the same. Different in as much as here, everything buck stops with me and my team. So we've got to look after the safety, the finance, the customers, all the whole piece. And in that sense, it's probably a more difficult job. On the other hand, we don't have quite so many things going wrong as you do on mainline railways. So we're a bit more in control.
Thank you very much indeed.